Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to embed a report from the Bold Reports report server into an ASP.NET Web Forms application. The report server is a powerful application that allows you to store, manage, and deliver reports to your users. Embedding the report server in your application provides seamless access to your reports without having to switch between different applications. In this video, I will show you the steps to create an ASP.NET Web Forms application in Visual Studio and load an already published RDL report from the report server. Let's get started. I open Visual Studio 2022 and click Create a new project. I select ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. Then I click Next. I name my application Report Viewer Web Forms and click Create. The Create a New Web Application dialog will open. I select Web Forms and the Web API checkbox. Then I click Create. The ASP.NET Web Forms application is created. Next, to install the necessary NuGet packages in the application, right-click the project and choose Manage NuGet Packages. In the Browse tab, I search for the boldreports.webforms package and install it in my application. The boldreports.webforms package contains controls to create the client-side report viewer control. The package will be installed automatically. Next, let's add the assembly reference. Open the web.config file from the Views folder. Then I add the boldreports.webforms assembly to the controls element inside the system.web element. Next, let's reference scripts and style sheets. Open the site.master file and add the necessary scripts and style sheets. You can find them at the link provided in the video description. Now let's initialize the report viewer control. I open the default.aspx page and add the following code snippet. Add the div element inside the ASP content tag and assign the style attribute inside the div element. Inside the div element, I initialize the report viewer control and assign the ID for the report viewer control. The ID attribute specifies the unique name for the report viewer control. Assign the value viewer to the ID attribute. To render the report, I need to set the report service URL, report server URL, service authorization token, and report path properties of the report viewer widget. First, add the report service URL. This URL specifies the Web API service URL. It contains the server, service, and the REST API names. In this demo, since I have the report server hosted on my local machine, I've specified the report server name as localhost with the port number on which I am hosting. Next, add the report server URL. This specifies the server name and the site information. Then set the report path. This report is found on my report server under the Sample Reports category, which I'll be loading at runtime. Lastly, you'll need to add the authorization token. Log into your report server and open the user profile page. Here, click Personal Access Token in the top panel. To generate the token, click Generate Token and copy the token. Then I add it to my application. Now, everything is ready to load the report viewer. Run the application. You'll see the report viewer loaded in the browser. In this video, I've shown you how to load a Bold Report Server report in the report viewer using an ASP.NET Web Forms application. I have provided a link to relevant documentation on this topic in the video description. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.